Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to make some homemade churros. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy holidays guys, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, let's get started. These are your ingredients. Alright, on medium-low heat, I'm going to apply 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 stick of butter. And you're going to go ahead and mix that up and let it warm up. Don't let it get to a complete boil. Just start a little bit of simmering and then you're going to take it off the stove. Alright, then you're going to go ahead and add it to a mixer. You can also use a handheld or you could do it by hand with a whisk. Add 2 cups and 1/2 cup of flour. And give that a really good mix. As soon as everything is completely mixed, go ahead and add 3 eggs, but apply 1 at a time so it can mix very well. Alright, so this is the consistency that you should have. And now you can either put it into a Ziploc bag, which I'm going to, or you can put it into a piping bag. I have piping bags too. I was honestly just too lazy to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. It was a little messy. It was fighting me a little bit, but yeah, I just didn't feel like using a piping bag. Alright, and to a plate, go ahead and add about 1 cup of sugar and some cinnamon. Add to your preference. This is going to be the topping. The churro maker I actually got on JCPenney. You can also get it on Amazon and Target. Alright, I went ahead and sprayed some ham on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a nice thick layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it off. I did it for about 5 minutes and this is what it looks like. So you could tell those two, I could have probably applied more dough, but it's okay. Alright, and while it's still hot, go ahead and give it a nice little shake into that sugar and cinnamon mixture. Make sure it's nice and fully coated. And then I went ahead and applied it to the cooling rack, and that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys try this out. This is just a little bit of a healthier version than frying them. If you want to see a frying version of it, please let me know down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.